Argentina are going to be knocked out. Unfortunately, यही सत्य है. FIFA World Cup 2026. It's literally days away. I don't know how time went by this fast because 2022 का World Cup ऐसा लग रहा है कि it was just there, guys. It was just some days ago. And now we're here again discussing about another World Cup in 2026. June 11th से start हो रहा है FIFA World Cup 2026 and we thought why not put our predicting hats on our head. We actually don't have any hats at all, but okay. And guess who's gonna be the winner of FIFA World Cup 2026? We're gonna mess up, obviously. I mean, we are not gonna get it correct, but I would like to think we would, and that is why आज हम करने वाले हैं FIFA World Cup का ब्रैकेट चैलेंज विच इज बेसिकली प्रिडिक्टिंग कौन सा टीम कैसा परफॉर्म करेगा, कौन सा अपने ग्रुप से निकलेगा, हु विल प्ले होम इन द राउंड ऑफ 32। अब तो राउंड ऑफ 32 भी आ चुके हैं, नंबर ऑफ टीम्स बढ़ गए हैं, सो वी विल basically try and simulate the whole World Cup according to what I think. So शुरू करते हैं core bracket. I think I should just click play now. Come on, I don't need any tutorial, man. राइट तो ग्रुप ए में है मेक्सिको, साउथ अफ्रीका, कोरिया एंड चेक रिपब्लिक. नाउ दिस इज आई थिंक इट्स मोर और लेस फॉर मी एन इजी ग्रुप टू प्रिडिक्ट. आई मीन कम ऑन, मेक्सिको आर द होस्ट, दे शुड गो थ्रू, बट वो फर्स्ट या सेकंड प्लेस में होगा दैट आई एम नॉट श्योर. आई थिंक साउथ कोरिया will top the group, and I think then Mexico will come around and take the second place. And third place में I would like to put Czech Republic, and South Africa unfortunately will be eliminated from the World Cup. Group B, Canada, Bosnia, Qatar and Switzerland. अच्छा group है. Obviously Canada is also hosting the World Cup this year. Qatar, I don't think, I mean, obviously in 2022 as well, उन्होंने अच्छा नहीं किया था despite hosting the best World Cup that at least I have ever seen in my life here. In this group, I would like to believe कि Switzerland will top the group. Canada being the host nation, and not only just for the virtue of being the host nation, I think Canada का team इस साल ठीक ठाक ही है. Obviously, Alphonso Davies, I'm not sure if he's injured or not again, but I would like to believe he's not. So, and I think Canada will finish second, and in the third position, I would like to put Bosnia, and Qatar, unfortunately for them, will get eliminated. This for me looks like the group of death. I mean, I know people are saying कि group I भी group of death हो सकता है, but let's be honest, group C में Brazil है, Morocco है, Scotland भी है. I think Scotland are a good team. I mean, obviously उनका शायद फॉर्म ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं रहा है recently, although I would like to believe they will ultimately, if not directly, they will still go through to the next round. But if I'm going to predict here, I think personally, I think Morocco is going to beat Brazil and become first in Group C. Although I'm not saying कि Brazil इस टूर्नामेंट में बहुत दूर तक नहीं जाएगी. आई थिंक ब्राजील बहुत दूर तक जाएगी. कम ऑन, मैंने स्पॉइलर दे दिया काइंड ऑफ, बट स्टिल आई वुड in the group stage at least I would like to say कि Morocco will beat Brazil, and then Brazil will finish second in the group. Obviously Scotland and Haiti, obviously, I mean, it's an achievement for them for just participating in the World Cup, I guess. But I think, in my opinion, Brazil will finish second here. Group D, Australia हमेशा से ऐसा टीम रहा है जो सरप्राइजेस बियर करती है अपने आप में. They have done wonders in World Cup in crucial matches as well, but yeah, I think it's either between US and Australia to top the group. उसके बाद मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को पुट करना चाहूंगा, and then Paraguay, and then Turkey. I mean, Turkey also maybe has a good team, but I don't think Turkey is gonna go that far. It's just gut feeling, guys. I mean, at this point, this is what my gut says about Group D. Now, Group E, this is interesting क्योंकि इक्वाडोर एक ऐसा टीम है जो डिफेंड बहुत बढ़िया करता है, एंड आइवरी कोस्ट रिसेंटली फ्रांस को फ्रेंडलीज में हराया भी है, एंड जर्मनी एज वी ऑल नो हैज, आई मीन 2014 के बाद से दे हैव दैट कर्स ऑन देम, विनर्स कर्स। ये आगे ही नहीं जा पा रहा है, ऑल्दो ऑब्वियसली फ्रांस इन 2018 won the World Cup and then also played 2022 का वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल, सो ऐसा कर्ज वाला बात है नहीं। बट जर्मनी, यहाँ पे कुरासाओ को तो छोड़ ही दो, जर्मनी आइवरी कोस्ट इक्वाडोर के बीच में ही है, एंड इन माय ओपिनियन आई थिंक जर्मनी इज टॉपिंग द ग्रुप, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम होना नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे। आई वुड लाइक टू पुट इक्वाडोर सेकंड प्लेस में, एंड आइवरी कोस्ट डिस्पाइट डिफीटिंग फ्रांस आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव कि वो थर्ड फिनिश करेंगे, एंड कुरासाओ विल बी एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड कप। ग्रुप एफ, वेरी कॉम्पिटेटिव ग्रुप यार, नेदरलैंड्स, जापान, स्वीडन, दिस इज ब्रिलियंट, बढ़िया मैचेस होंगे दोस्तों। यहाँ पे आई विल प्रिडिक्ट समथिंग दैट इज ऑब्वियस, Netherlands will top the group. I think Netherlands is bar, they will have a really spirited team, and I think they will go far. By far I mean they are going far, far, far. In second place, however, I would like to think Japan will finish second, because Japan has been the team जो वर्ल्ड कप में बहुत अच्छा करते आ रहे हैं. They have also produced shockers. I think Japan will finish second. Sweden, I think, yeah, obviously third finish करेंगे, and Tunisia are going to get eliminated from the World Cup. I think Group G में भी Belgium are going to top the group. उन्हें कुछ ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होना नहीं चाहिए. Although Iran, New Zealand and Egypt. Iran is a good team, but again, यार, I heard the news recently कि यूएसए में ईरान के कुछ प्लेयर्स को वीज़ा नहीं मिली है, so I mean यूएसए क्या कर दे कि ईरान को फॉरफिट करना पड़ जाए वगैरह. If that happens, I don't know, man. USA shouldn't be a good choice for hosting the World Cup again ever. I mean, even this time, I think USA shouldn't have hosted the World Cup, although हमारे हाथ में होता नहीं है, पर ठीक है. बेल्जियम, आई थिंक ईरान विल फिनिश सेकेंड. न्यूजीलैंड हल्के में लेने वाला टीम तो है नहीं, पर फिर भी आई पुट इजिप्ट. नाउ ग्रुप एच में, कम ऑन, इट्स ऑब्वियस है ना, एस्पेनिया, वीवा एस्पेनिया. Spain is going to finish first, Uruguay is going to finish second, Saudi Arabia third, and Cape Verde, I think they're going to be out of the World Cup. I mean, I'm not sure if this can happen, पर ये हो सकता है. I mean, we are all counting on Spain to do their best, but I think यहाँ पे अपसेट होना नहीं चाहिए. यूरुग्वे हैज अ स्पिरिटेड टीम, बहुत वो नो गूदा वाला टीम है, पर फिर भी आई थिंक आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव कि स्पेन आर गोइंग टू गो थ्रू. ग्रुप आई, जो ऑलमोस्ट सभी लोगों के हिसाब से इज द ग्रुप ऑफ डेथ, बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स द, I think they are the champions of Africa. They're the real champions of Africa. Although Morocco paper पर है champions, but I think Senegal are the real champions of AFCON. तो दो अफ्रीकन नेशन, I'm sorry, एक यूरोपियन और एक अफ्रीकन नेशन, इनमें से obviously it's kind of obvious कि फ्रांस फर्स्ट फिनिश नहीं करेगी. Senegal is going to finish first. I am going to predict कि फ्रांस इस बार के वर्ल्ड कप में are going to finish second in the group. I don't know. It's just gut feeling. मुझे नहीं पता. I might be completely wrong here. I'm not. I don't know. I don't know. France to finish second, and Norway, I think, despite them being in a very good form and with a very good team as well, लोग हल्के में नहीं ले सकते यार नॉर्वे को, बिकॉज इट इज अ स्टैक टीम एंड बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर्स है. वाइकिंग वाला जीन है इनमें, और दिस टीम कैन एक्चुअली सरप्राइज पीपल. आई वुड इवन गो ऑन टू से कि नॉर्वे टॉप भी कर सकता है ग्रुप आई को. बट माई मेन प्रेडिक्शन फॉर ग्रुप आई वुड बी कि फ्रांस विल फिनिश सेकेंड इन द ग्रुप. दे वोंट टॉप देयर ग्रुप. ग्रुप जे, Argentina will not. Ghanta will not. Argentina will finish first in the group. Austria will finish second. Algeria will come third. And Jordan will be eliminated. Goodbye, Tata, from the World Cup. Alright. Group K. I mistakenly pressed on Congo. Come on. Congo is not topping the group. Now, moving on to Group K. Portugal wala group. Portugal are, according to many people, favorites to win the World Cup. But anyway, Portugal will finish second in the group. There's no bias. कोई bias नहीं है. Trust me on this. कोई bias नहीं है. Portugal to finish second. Now I think Uzbekistan और Congo में मैं Congo को third finish करवाऊंगा and Uzbekistan are going to be knocked out of the World Cup. In Group L, England वाला group, England, Croatia, Ghana and Panama. England will top the group. क्रोएशिया को हल्के में नहीं ले सकते. क्रोएशिया हैज बीन a phenomenal team in the World Cup for the last 2 editions, but they'll still finish second in my opinion. And then उसके बाद आएगा Ghana and Panama is going to be eliminated from the World Cup. Now let's pick the best third teams जो कि obviously round of 32 में जाएंगे if I'm not wrong. तो यहाँ पे best 8 teams कौन हो सकती है? Pick the best third place teams. Norway, I think Ivory Coast, Scotland भी होगा वहां पे. I think Egypt जाएगा. Paraguay, I think Czech Republic is going. And I think Ghana, I'm doing this. अब knockouts की पारी. तो पहला round of 32 का मैच जर्मनी वर्सेस पैराग्वे. I don't think यहाँ पे कोई जर्मनी को प्रॉब्लम होना चाहिए. Although Paraguay is not that bad of a team, साउथ अमेरिका में वो अच्छा करते आ रहे हैं. सेनेगल वर्सेस स्वीडन, वेरी गुड मैच इन माय ओपिनियन, वेरी गुड मैच. एफकॉन चैंपियंस क्या कर पाएंगे? स्वीडन को डिफीट कर पाएंगे? आई थिंक यस. I think Senegal is defeating Sweden and moving on to the round of 16. Although यहाँ पे अगर स्वीडन जीत भी जाए, they have good players in their team. Sweden जीत भी सकती है, but I would like to believe कि Senegal, given the conditions, will prevail over Sweden. Next, oh my god, Mexico Canada, it's the battle of the hosts. यहाँ पे कौन जीतेगा यार? It's a tough one guys, it's a tough one, but I would like to think कि Mexico will go through. I think Mexico is going through. I think Mexico will knock out Canada from the World Cup to go through into the round of 16s. Look at that. Look at the beauty of this. Netherlands versus Brazil. हमको round of 32 में ही मिल गया. I think the emotions are taking over me. I would have to pick Brazil. यार. I mean, come on. Ancelotti is leading the team. Neymar का last World Cup है. It can be a fairy tale ending for Brazil. At least I would like to believe कि ये हो सकता है. I can't do anything because I want to see Neymar live that beautiful trophy and end his career on a high. It has been pretty, disheartening, but I would like to see that happen. Portugal versus Croatia. Come on, guys. I think Croatia जीतेगी. Come on, shut up. Bade Bhaiya is going to the round of 16 of the World Cup. They are going to the round of 16 of the World Cup. I think Portugal has one of the greatest teams in a long while. And by greatest teams, I mean team. It's not a bunch of individuals जो talented है. And I believe कि Bade Bhaiya has a chance to win the World Cup. I mean, we'll see about that. I just said chance. España versus Austria, no match. España are going through. USA versus Ivory Coast. I think USA अपने stadium में with crowd behind them. I think it might be USA, but I don't know why my gut feeling says it's gonna be Ivory Coast. Seattle Stadium, Belgium versus Czech Republic. Belgium. ये वाला match यार. Watch out for this particular match. Morocco versus Japan. Don't miss this match. गलती से भी ये मैच मिस मत कर देना यार. This is going to be a great match. I am telling you, इस मैच में I can't even predict. I would have to choose between two of my fingers, जिसमें मैं जानता हूँ कि मैंने कौन सा सेट किया, तो मैं नहीं चूज करूंगा. I don't know how to choose between Morocco and Japan, guys. I think I'm going to choose Morocco because they played in the AFCON finals. ठीक है, वो technically हार तो गए, but still Morocco has a great team. I think slightly यहाँ पे जापान का वही प्रॉब्लम रहता है यार कि अच्छा तो ये खेल जाते हैं पर एट द एंड मतलब कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते फेरी टेल स्टोरी को. सो मोरक्को आर गोइंग टू द राउंड ऑफ 16s डैलस स्टेडियम में, इक्वल ऑफ फ्रांस. एंड यहाँ पे फ्रांस विल विन इन पेनल्टीज. I think this is going to be a very tough match as well, France and Ecuador ka. Either it's going to be a very tough match or it's going to be a walkover for France. But either way, I think France is going through to the round of 16s. Next, Mexico City में Korea versus Scotland का match. Mexos eliminated. Korea are going through to the round of 16s. Although ये shocker रहेगा बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए because Scotland apparently has a great team and ये dark horse भी रह चुके हैं of the Euros, but still I think Korea, पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है कि it's gonna be a good match and I think Korea is going to go through. England versus Norway. Haaland is going to be eliminated because England has a great team and Tuchel, despite having ups and downs in his career, I think Tuchel is a great manager and cup competitions mein he is an even better manager. So England is going to go through. Will not take much time. Argentina, Uruguay battle proper कति fierce battle होगी एकदम कोपा अमेरिका वाली लड़ाई हो जाएगी मायामी स्टेडियम में. But again, मायामी स्टेडियम में तो एक ही राजा हो सकता है एंड दैट्स गोइंग टू बी मेसी, जो कि इस मैच में स्कोर जरूर करेगा. लिख के ले लो, अगर ये मैच होता है अर्जेंटीना यूरुग्वे का, अर्जेंटीना के लिए स्कोर करेगा लियोनेल मेसी एंड दे विल रीच टू द राउंड ऑफ 16. ऑस्ट्रेलिया ईरान, आई थिंक ईरान विल डू द जॉब एंड ये लोग एटलांटा स्टेट. वेट अ सेकेंड, अगर ये पहले ही इनको वीजा के चक्कर में इनको बाहर निकाल दिया गाइस, चेंज ऑफ माइंड. आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी रिपीट इन द राउंड ऑफ 16 of the last year's round of 16s. Argentina versus Australia, was it round of 16s? I think it was round of 16s. Switzerland, Egypt में से Switzerland is going to go through and Colombia, Ghana में से Colombia is going to go through now the round of 16s guys. Germany versus Senegal. I think Senegal का सफर इतना तक ही रहेगा. Germany are going to go through to the quarterfinals of the World Cup. I don't know. I have a feeling for Germany this year कि ये मतलब they won't fumble like the last two editions of the World Cup. Houston में Mexico versus Brazil ताबड़तोड़ मैच होगा. The crowd is gonna go wild. But I mean I would like to pick Brazil here. Portugal versus Spain. यार tough decision to make यार. Spain is probably the most, it's the favorite to win the World Cup in my opinion, and Portugal as well. I mean, this if this would have been the final, I wouldn't have any problem as well. Quarter semis tak तो at least दोनों टीम्स ही डिजर्व करती थी, बट बिकॉज मैंने पोर्टुगल को सेकंड फिनिश करवाया है, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई दिस फिक्सचर हैपेंड. बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी स्पेन. इट्स जस्ट my feeling कि Spania are going to go through to the quarterfinals defeating Portugal if this fixture happens, जो कि नहीं भी हो सकता है because अगर पोर्चुगल अपना ग्रुप टॉप कर लेती है, this fixture isn't anyway gonna happen. But if it happens, I think Spania are the clear favorites over Portugal. Although Portugal इनको फाइट तो देगी, टक्कर डेफिनेटली देगी, but Spain is going to go through. Belgium, Ivory Coast में Belgium are going to go through. Ivory Coast is going to be eliminated. France, Morocco, Hakimi versus Mbappe, two best friends fighting it out in the round of 16s. I think Morocco. I think France का सफर round of 16 तक ही रहेगा. I know I have done a madness here क्योंकि मैंने फ्रांस और पोर्चुगल दोनों को बाहर कर दिया. For a lot of people it is gonna be very rage bait content, but ठीक है. It's just my predictions, guys. There's nothing to take seriously. And yeah, say England. England is going to go through because Thomas Tuchel in the round of 16th, I don't think he's going out. Now, Argentina, Australia, it's not going to be that great of a match because Argentina is going to knock out Australia by a very big margin, in my opinion, this time round. And then Colombia will defeat Switzerland to go on to the quarterfinals. In the quarterfinals, Germany versus Brazil. Oh my god! Who remembers Germany versus Brazil? Anyway, I mean, with all due respect, Germany are going out in the quarterfinals because Brazil and Carlo Ancelotti ke eyebrows are going to take Brazil to the semifinals of the World Cup. Yeah, I think Brazil deserve to be in the semi-finals. Although, I mean, under Ancelotti, we haven't seen a lot of them, and Brazil haven't been in the best of forms this time around. But फिर I think Brazil is going to the semi-finals. Spain versus Belgium में I think Spain is going to go to the semi-finals of the World Cup. Belgium का golden generation था and they literally washed it out. So I mean I don't think it's going to be Belgium, guys. Morocco England, good match, but England is going to go to the semi-final of the World Cup. Yeah, this is looking massive. England are going to defeat Morocco to go to the semi-finals. Next, Colombia Argentina. This is going to the penalties. If it's not going to the penalties, it's gonna be a team that's going to win by 1 goal, and I would like to believe it's going to be Argentina because unme wo guda hai, and Kansas City में Lionel Messi की Argentina will defeat Colombia by a very slender margin or in the penalty shootouts, and Dibu will put out an absolutely wonderful performance in this fixture if this fixture at all happens in the quarterfinals. अब आते हैं यार semi-finals में. This is going to be blockbuster because we have Brazil versus Spain in the semi-finals of the World Cup. I mean, सुन के excitement हो रहा है. This match will happen. I mean, it's my prediction कि it will happen. But अगर ये actually में हो जाता है, this is gonna be mind blowing. Brazil versus Spain and Argentina versus England. भाई क्या fixtures है in the semi-finals. पहला वाला, are Spain going to live up to the expectations that people have about them in this particular World Cup, or are Brazil going to write a fairy tale story and create a situation whereby a super classico of Brazil versus Argentina might be possible? Guys, with a very heavy heart, in my opinion, put Spain to go through to the finals, because although I think Brazil will have a deep run, but it's going to end in the semi-finals. I would have loved to see Neymar, live that World Cup. A whole generation of kids has looked up to this guy, his flair, his skills. A lot of players have come and gone after he has, technically left the big stage of football. Although he is still playing, but he is not in the spotlight anymore. Uske जाने के बाद there hasn't been a single player either from Brazil or anywhere else in the world जो कि वो दिखा पाया है कि he has that flair and skill that matches even goes anywhere close to Neymar. But it's going to end in the semi-finals in a heartbreak for Neymar, and he is not going to be able to get his hands on the trophy. Spain, as expected, are going to the World Cup finals. I think everybody expected this to happen and expects this to happen in the real life situation as well. And in Atlanta Stadium, England versus Argentina, who is going to be crowned in this match to play in the finals of the World Cup, guys? Argentina are going to be knocked out in the semi-finals of the World Cup. Unfortunately, यही सत्य है. Are you kidding me? Argentina are going to the finals of the World Cup. You really thought I would kick out Argentina against England in the semi-finals? Atlanta Stadium में Messi के playground. Obviously, bias aside, I think Argentina will overpower England just because of that X factor Argentina has, that unity, that bond Argentina has. England will play good football, and I think Anthony Gordon, the Barcelona player, will score in this match. A crazy random prediction. I would look a fool at the end. I probably know that, but I still would say कि शायद Anthony Gordon will score against Argentina in this match, if this match at all happens in the semis. But Argentina will clinch it through the goals of Lautaro Martinez, Julian Alvarez, and Enzo Fernandez. Messi इसमें goal नहीं मारेगा, but he will have one assist. कौन सा वाला? I don't know. Now I'm just speaking stupidity, but still I think in the broad sense Argentina is going to go through. Spain versus Argentina. My voice is cracking, but the World Cup final is set to happen यार. I am so excited now seeing this fixture. ये तो होने भी नहीं वाला शायद, but फिर भी ये just the idea of this fixture even being possible makes me go nuts, because finalissima में this is the fixture that was going to happen, but वो last moment में cancel हो गया. I mean, technically Messi could have won his 50th trophy if it were to be the World Cup, but 49th one वाला cancel हो गया finalissima. So technically finalissima का match FIFA वर्ल्ड कप के फाइनल में रेप्लिकेट हो सकता है दोस्तों. एंड यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है? इज इट गोइंग टू बी स्पेन? इज इट गोइंग टू बी अर्जेंटीना गो बैक टू बैक? लमीन यमाल, मेसी, मेसी, लमीन यमाल. Argentina, champions of the world for the second time in a row, guys. Spain has a chance to absolutely obliterate Argentina. Let me be clear, but my heart would like to believe it's going to be Argentina again, going back to back. Obviously लगेगा तुमको कि हाँ ये तो this is completely biased. Look, there is a feeling in my heart this time कि maybe हो सकता है back to back यार. Come on, Argentina have still that same core kind of, and Spain is an up and coming team जो कि बहुत अच्छा खेल रही है, and people are saying their favorites to win the World Cup. EA Sports FIFA ने भी भाई claim कर दिया कि Spain is going to win the World Cup. और अगर imagine Spain versus Argentina का final हो and Spain knocks out Argentina to become the winners of the FIFA World Cup, यार मैं तो नहीं सहन कर पाऊंगा. Again, still it's going to be beginning of a new dawn, the era of probably Lamine Yamal, Pedri, and this whole new generation of kids who will transition football from the era of the GOATs, Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, onto a new era जहाँ पे these kids are going to be dominating the scene of football. That is going to be my prediction of the FIFA 2026 World Cup. I hope you liked the video. I mean, आपको लग सकता है कि मैं biased होके, बहुत biased होके ये video I did this whole thing. I mean, I wouldn't lie, थोड़ा सा तो है, but still I think everybody has a chance. Even Portugal, जिनको मैंने बहुत ही अर्ली स्टेज में नॉकआउट कर दिया, फ्रांस को भी मैंने बहुत अर्ली स्टेज में नॉकआउट कर दिया. But these are again just my predictions, and I can look absolutely a big fool. Maybe Portugal World Cup जीत जाए and Ronaldo has his hands on the trophy that he looks out for the most, or maybe he doesn't, because after all this is 7 to 8 game tournament. Do let me know in the comment section कि आपके predictions क्या है, who is going to win the World Cup, who are you supporting, and who are you realistically believing that will win the World Cup. Comment section में बताना, या फिर you can DM me on WhatsApp, because obviously it's a very close knit group है ना. I mean, it's going to be up on the WhatsApp story. WhatsApp से लोग देख रहे होंगे शायद. So anyway, I would like to take your leave and hope everybody enjoys the World Cup, and may the best team win. May Argentina win. Anyway, ciao.